Beginner Forex lesson. What is Forex? Welcome to today's Gawd Street lesson. Today, I will be explaining what Forex means and how you can start investing in it and everything you need to know about Forex. I will be explaining it because you don't just go into trading Forex or go into spending your money. You need to know what you're putting your money into first before funding your account or doing anything that concerns trading. First, we need to know what is Forex. Forex means foreign exchange. It's a global market where people buy one currency and sell another currency. It's a global market where people buy one currency and sell another currency. For example, when you exchange the US dollar, you exchange the US dollar for the euros, you are taking part in foreign exchange already. When you exchange the US dollar for euros, you're taking part in foreign exchange already. Forex traders do this online with the aim of making money when the value of one currency rises above the other or the other falls below the other. That's how the traders make money from it. You see that one currency goes up, then the other comes down, or the other goes up, the other comes down. That's how it's done. That's just it. So one important thing we need to know is currency pair. What are currency pairs? Let's look at currency pairs. Currency pairs. What are currency pairs? Currency pairs are traded in pairs such as USD, Euro USD. This EUR means Euro and this USD means US dollars. GBP USD. This GBP means British pounds against the US dollar. USD JPY. This JPY means Japanese yen, which means it's the US dollar against the Japanese yen. That is currency pair. Putting two currencies together. In Euro USD, the euro is the first currency. The euro you see here is the first currency. Then the US dollar is the second currency. The price tells us how many dollars are needed to buy 1 euro. The price of the market tells us how many dollars we need to buy 1 euro. What do we mean by buying and selling? Let me correct this. What what do we mean by buying and selling? You buy a currency when you believe its price will rise. You sell a currency when you believe its price will fall. For example, you buy Euro USD with $1.1. Let's say you buy Euro USD with 1.1 let's say 1.1000 lot, because you expect that this price that you bought this Euro USD is going to do what? Is going to go up. Because you believe that the price was going to go up. That was why you bought it with that um, amount. If the price rises from this 1.1 now, then the price rises to 1.1500. Guess what? Well, let's see. That's a far amount. Let's use 1.1050. Your trade is making profits already, because the trade already rose from this down to the upside. So you are in profit already. You bought the price because you believe that the price was going to go up. That was why you click on buy. If it fails, instead, you may lose the money, the amount you used to enter the trade. If it happens that now you click on buy and the trade just eventually starts going down, then you're losing already. You're losing already. You see? So you should know the difference between buying and selling. You buy because you believe the price is going up. You sell because you believe the price is going down. Why do currency price move, and who participate in forex? Like, why do the price move? Why does it go up and down? And who are those people clicking the buy and sell? Yeah, I know there are people like me and you, but we need to know what position are we in the market. But first, we need to know, why do the price move? Why do they keep moving every day and night? Let's find out why price move. Forex price moves because of things such as interest rate decision, inflation, employment reports, economic news, political events, supply and demand, buyers and sellers in the market. These are the reasons why the market moves. The interest rates, those are the rates, the decisions that are made sometimes in the market, employment reports, economic news, political events, supply and demand, and the buyers, me and you in the market. Those are the reasons why the market moves. I will make video on how and explain all this, but for better reason to not make this video much longer, so let me just move to who participates in forex. The forex market include banks, government, business, investment companies, and individual traders like us, individual traders like me and you. When is the forex market open? The forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, from Monday to Friday. You see that the banks came before the government, before business, investment companies, and before they said traders like us. Traders like us. So you should know, you should write out that word. Traders like us. That means you should be calm whenever you're trading. You understand? So the forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, from Monday to Friday. There are main trading sessions. There are main trading sessions. The trading sessions are Sydney sessions, Tokyo session, London session, and New York session. Sydney session, Tokyo session, London session, and New York session. The Sydney session operates from 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. to closes at 7 a.m. While the Tokyo session opens from 12 a.m. and closes at 9 a.m. The London session is open at 8 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. While the New York sessions open at 1 p.m. and closes at 10 p.m. That's the last session of the day. That was how the sessions operate. At Gawd Street, our main focus is the London session. Keep that in mind. From the 8 a.m. to the 5 p.m. That's where our focus really lies on. The question everybody asks right now is, can beginners make money from Forex? Yes. But Forex is not a quick or guaranteed money. A beginner must learn first. You can see you must first learn. You must first learn how the market works. Learn how to analyze charts, when to enter and exit trades, how to use a stop loss when trading, how to manage your risk when trading, how to control your emotions while on the chart. You need to learn all this before you start risking your funds. You can lose money when you trade without knowledge, discipline, or proper risk. You lose your money whenever you enter the market thinking like you don't need the guidance of anybody to trade. Trust me, you will lose your money. You might make money on a short while, but you will lose it on the long run unless you're not planning to do it for a long time, of which that's up to you. Guard Street beginner rule: do not rush to take money. Do not rush to take money. Don't think you come here to make money. Do not rush to make money. Rush to gain knowledge. Learn first. Practice on a demo account. You can use a fake account first. before coming into a live account. Learn first. Practice on the demo account. Risk small amount. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This is a question I got for everyone. What did you think Forex meant before today? I want you to write your comment below. Write your comments on the comment section. I appreciate you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get the new video coming up. Watch this video again, watch it again and again so you know what Forex means and do your own research too. Peace.